Hi, welcome to Benchdogs. Today I'm going to explain how our router jig gets put together and how you use it with a router. So what comes with the kit? So you get 2 angle stops, thumb screws for the extrusion, bushes for the extrusion, magnetic puck, anti-rotation pin, thumb screws for the angle stop and fixing T-nuts. This also comes with extrusion. Now we have 2 different sizes available on our web shop. This is the 700 and you also have the 1000. This comprises of the 700 extrusion and 500 extrusion. And with the 1000 kit, you get the 1000 extrusion and 700 extrusion. Yeah. So when you firstly receive your kit, you receive the bushes here. So they're all different sizes on here, which matches the extrusion. So once you've got the kit, just simply put it in and rotate it until the bushes actually fit into the slot. Like so. You're also receiving the kit, the anti-rotation pins, and these pop into these little holes here, like so. Then take in a thumb screw, place that in through the bush, and then with a T-nut, place that in the extrusion, line it up, and lock it in place, like so. So now I've got all the pins in place, I'm just going to put the other T-nuts in to allow it all to connect together. Making sure the anti-rotation pins fit nicely in through the slot. Line up where your T-nut is. Like so. Once you've got all your T-nuts in and the bolts are slightly loose, you can then adjust it to the size that you want your extrusion on. And by using the gauge here, you can slide it easily up and down the scale to get it to your set markings. If you notice on the metric side, we have actually marked out all the 32s on the extrusion to make life a little bit easier for you. And then once you've got it in place, tighten it up. Same again on this side, and then tighten it up. Once you've got them in place, and square, and there's the size of your jig there. And to attach the router stops, like so, using your T-nuts, slide them into the extrusion where you require them. Using the angle stop, bring it to the edge of a table, and then apply the thumb screws. Like so. So once you've got these attached, you can then set these to be wherever you want the stops to be, and then tighten them down, giving you a nice straight reference edge. So now I want to introduce you to our magnetic anti-tip-in puck. You simply just turn your router upside down, select the guide bush that you need, and then it snaps into place. And the good thing about this is it doesn't fall off when you turn it upside down, you'd have to hold it. And then when you're routing, this will follow your router and switch around, like so. So there you have it, there's our router template jig and how it gets put together and how you use it. You can find this on our Benchdog's website just here, and don't forget to subscribe and like our channel.